Hi, it's Noe with WTI, and if you're in need of an air mattress, you're going to love this Coleman PillowStop queen size air mattress. My favorite thing about this queen size air mattress is how quick it is to assemble. At the click of a button, this mattress will inflate in less than 2 minutes. This mattress was easy to operate. Simply plug it into an outlet and watch it go. Whether you're moving into a home and need a temporary bed, or having a slumber party or a guest sleepover, or you're taking it on the go where there's an outlet, this mattress will suit your needs. I love Coleman air mattresses because of their durability and their quality of their product. This mattress is so comfortable. I could sleep on it multiple days and it didn't lose any air. I love that I could stow it away in my closet and I don't have to worry about it taking up too much room. So if you're looking for a quality air mattress, a comfortable air mattress, and something that's easy to take with you to go, then you're going to love this Coleman air mattress. And that's my point of view.